Something is in the water! Something big! I am coming! Swim to me! Swim! Look, Cat! The ocean! The big ocean! It is wet. Come to the water. It is warm and beautiful. Cat, come! Just your feet. Just put your feet in. The water is warm. No, but why? It is so nice. I am a cat. Cats do not go in water. This is a rule. But no.
Wow!
Cat! Ah! You did this! I am sorry. I did not mean to. Cat, listen to me. Stop moving your arms, just your legs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, that is it. You are doing it. I am not sinking. You are not sinking. Keep going. Rabbit, what is that green thing?
It is an island.
Okay, together. Good. You are swimming. Cat, you are swimming. Wet. Very, very wet. Yes, that is normal.
We are getting closer.
I can see the palm trees now.
Good. I am ready to be
Not wet.
Did you feel that?
Feel what?
Cat,
What?
don't look down.
Why?
Swim now to the island. Don't!
Ah! Go, 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 go!
Faster! It is behind us! Don't look back! Swim!
I am swimming as fast as I can!
Wave! Hold on! Cat, why did you stop? Swim!
I cannot, my legs, I cannot move.
Cat, look at me! Look at my face, look at me! Rabbit, it is so big!
Chloe, Chrysette! How to Ramirez? He dry sea. You are. I might get to parched state. There, the reef. Swim in, hide. What? Where? In the coral. Go in, now. I am stuck. No, I'm in. Quiet. Don't move. Don't make a sound. Is it gone? I don't know. I don't see it. I don't hear it. The island. Is it still there? Yes, it is there. We need to go. Now, while we cannot see it. Okay, let's go. Go! Swim! Don't stop! I see the beach! I see the sand! Almost there! 20 more strokes. Go! 1, 2, 3. It's back! It's right behind us! The beach! Get to the beach! Now, now, now! I am going! I am going! We are on land. Is it gone? It is gone. Good. Cat. What? We are alive. Yes, we are alive. We are alive. It is very beautiful. From here? Yes, from here it is very beautiful. I can swim. Yes, you can. I did not know that.
Rabbit,
Thank you.
you swam. You did that.
You taught me.
You were very brave.
I was very scared.
I know. That is brave.
Look at this place. It is so beautiful. Yes. Cat, there is something on my ear. I know. What do I do? Drink up, Cat. This is good water. This water does not have sharks in it. Yes, today was
Exciting?
adventure?
Yes.
Adventure. A very wet adventure.
Rabbit, I have a question. Yes? In the morning I said I do not go in water. But today I swam. What else do I not know I can do?
A lot of things, Cat. A lot of things.
Rabbit, tomorrow,
Yes?
let's find a way home, but not through the water.
Agreed.